I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
One of the criticisms that shitcoiners level against Bitcoin sometimes, they say that, you guys keep changing the narrative, right? So first it's counterparty risk, and then it's inflation, then it's tyranny and CBDCs, and then it's bank collapses. It's like, yeah, put that together, man. I mean, it's a dessert topping and a floor wax, whatever ails you, whatever the government is screwing up in your life, it's you get yourself a Bitcoin. And, in a way with the bank collapses now, we're coming full circle, right? I mean, that was the Genesis block, and here we are, what is it, 15 years later, and we're back at square one because nothing changed. Right, that was like an existential crisis for really the entire globe. The U.S. got herpes, but it gave it to everybody else. And all these regulators came in with the PhDs. They said, we're going to fix this. Never again. Here we are 15 years later. We got a perfect rewind of it. We've stacked on 70% of world GDP. We basically doubled world GDP, partly because they, threw trillions the last time. It's a complete disaster, and every single time they screw it up, the answer is the same. Bitcoin fixes this.
Yeah.